ഓം ശ്രീ പരമാത്മനേ നമ. അത ദ്വിതീയോധ്യായ. ചാപ്റ്റർ 2. സഞ്ജയ ഉവാച തം തഥാ കൃപയവിഷ്ടമശ്രുപൂർണ കുലേക്ഷണം വിഷിദത്തമിദം വാക്യമുവാച മധുസൂദനഃ. Sanjaya said, Sri Krishna then addressed the following words to Arjuna, who was, as mentioned before, overwhelmed with pity, whose eyes were filled with tears and agitated, and who was full of sorrow. Sri Bhagavan Uvacha Kridastva കശ്മലമിതം വിഷമേശ മുപസ്ഥിതം അനാര്യജുഷ്ടം സ്വർഗ്യ മഹി ഏർത്തി കരമർജുന. Sri Bhagavan said, Arjuna, how has this delusion overtaken you at this odd hour? It is shunned by noble souls. Neither will it bring heaven nor fame to you. Klaibyam ma sma gama parda naidatva yubadyade shudram hridaya daurbalyam tektvottishta parandava. Yield not to unmanliness, Arjuna. This does not become you. Shaking off this base faint-heartedness, stand up, O scorcher of enemies. Arjuna Uvacha Kadam Bhishmamaham Sankhye Dronaja Madhusudana Ishubi Pradiyotsyami Pujarga Varisudana. Arjuna said, how, Krishna, shall I fight Bhishma and Drona with arrows on the battlefield? They are worthy of deepest reverence, O destroyer of foes. Gurunagatva hi Mahanubhavan Sreyo Bhuktam Bhaiksyamabhi Loke Hatvarda Kamamsu Guru Nihaiva Bunjiya Bhogan Rudira Pradigdan. It is better to live on arms in this world by not slaying these noble elders, because even after killing them, we shall, after all, enjoy only blood-stained pleasures. In the form of wealth and sense enjoyments. Na chaidar adidya kadarno angeriyo yadva jayem yadi va eno jayeyu yaneva khatwana jijivishana ste gwastidaha pramukhe dhartarashtraha. We do not even know which is preferable for us, to fight or not to fight, nor do we know whether we shall win or whether they will win us. Those very sons of Dhritarashtra, killing whom we do not even wish to leave stand in the enemy ranks. Karpanya Adoshoba Hada Sobhavaka Prachami Tvam Dharma Sammuda Chedaga Yachreyaga Syanischidam Brugi തന്മോ ബ്രൂഹി തന്മേ ശിഷ്യസ്തേഗഹം ശാതി മാം ത്വാം പ്രപന്നം വിത്ത് മൈ വെരി ബീയിങ് സ്മിറ്റൺ by the vice of a faint-heartedness, and my mind puzzled with regard to duty. I beseech you, tell me that which is decidedly good. I am your disciple. Pray, instruct me, who have taken refuge in you. നാഗി പ്രപശ്യാമി മമാപന്യുദ്യാത് യച്ചോക മുച്ചോഷൺ മിന്ദ്രിയാണാം അവാണ്യ ഭൂമാവ സപത്ന മൃദ്വം രാജ്യം സുരാണാമപി Chadivatyam, for even on obtaining undisputed sovereignty and an affluent kingdom on this earth and lordship over the gods, I do not see any means that can drive away the grief which is drying up my senses. Sanjaya Uvacha. Evamuktva Rishikesham Udagesa Parandava Na Yotsya Idi Govinda Muktva Tushni Babuvaka. Sanjaya said, O king, having thus spoken to Sri Krishna, Arjuna again said, to whom I will not fight, and became silent. Tamuvaja Rishikesha Pragasaniva Bharat Senayorubay Yom Armidye Vishidandamidam Vaja. Then, O Dhritarashtra, Sri Krishna, as if smiling, addressed the following words to Arjuna, sorrowing in the midst of the two armies. Sri Bhagavan Vacha Ashochyana Anveshoja Estvam Prajnavada Ascha Bhashati Gadasuna Gadasuscha Enanushojandi Pandidaga. Sri Bhagavan said, Arjuna, you grieve over those who should not be grieved for and yet speak. Like the learned, wise men do not sorrow over the dead or the living. Na Tvevaham Jad Nasam Na Tvam Neme Janadibaka Na Chaiva Na Pavishyamaka Sarve Vayamadaka Parama. In fact, there was never a time when I was not, or when you or these kings were not, nor is it a fact that hereafter we shall all cease to be. Degino ismi Nyada Dege Kaumaram Yauvanam Jara Tada Deganda Reprapti Ardhiras Statra Na Mukhyadi. Just as boyhood, youth, and old age are attributed to the soul through this body, even so it attains another body. The wise man does not get deluded about this मात्रा स्पर्शास्तु कौन्तेय शीतोष्ण सुखदुःखदा दुःखदा आगमावयुनो अग्नि ध्यास्तांस्ति तिक्षस्व Bharata, O son of Kundi. The contracts between the senses and their objects which give rise to the feelings of heat and cold, pleasure and pain, etc., are transitory and fleeting. Therefore, Arjuna, endure them. Yam hi na vedayandyede purusham purushashabha samadukka ham dhiram somrida atvaya kalpade. Arjuna, the wise man to whom pain and pleasure are alike, and who is not tormented by these contacts, becomes eligible for immortality. Nasado vidyade bhavo na bhavo vidyade sada ubayorabi drishto andastva nayosta atva darshibi. The unreal has no existence, and the real never ceases to be. The reality of both has thus been perceived by the seers of a truth. Avinashitu tadvidvi yena sarvamidam tadam vinasham vyayasya na kaschit kartu marhadi. Know that alone to be imperishable, which pervades this universe, for no one has a power to destroy this indestructible substance. Andavanda ime deha nityasyota sharirinaha anashino prameyasya tasmadyu udyasva bharata. All these bodies pertaining to the imperishable, indefinable and eternal soul are spoken of as perishable. Therefore, Arjuna, fight. Ya enam veti handaram yaschainam manyade kadam ubau to na vidinido nayam handi na hanyade. Both of them are ignorant. He who considers the soul to be capable of a killing, and he who takes it as killed. For killing the soul neither kills nor is killed. Na jayade mriyade va kadaji nyayam bhutva pavidava na bhuyaga ajo nityaka shashadogyam purano na hanyade hanyamane sharire. The soul is never born, nor it ever dies, nor does it become on being born, for it is unborn, eternal, everlasting, and primeval. Even though the body is slain, the soul is not. Veda vina ashinam nityam ya yanamajam veyam kadam sa purusha pardakam gadayadi handi ham. Arjuna, the man who knows this soul to be imperishable, eternal, and free from birth and decay, how and whom will he cause to be killed? How and whom will he kill? വാസാംസി ജീർണാനി യഥാ വികായ നവാനി ഗൃഹ്വാതി നരോപരാണി തഥാ ശരീരാണി വികായ ജീർണ ന്യാനി സംയാതി നവാനി ദേഹി. As a man shedding worn out garments takes other new ones, likewise the embodied soul, casting off worn out bodies, enters into others that are new. Nainam chindanti shastrani, nainam dagadi pavak, ina chainam kleda andya abo na shoshayadi marudaka. Weapons cannot cut it, nor can fire burn it. Water cannot wet it, nor can wind dry it. Achedyo yamado kyo gya yamakledyo shoshya yavaja nityaka sarvagataka sthanu virajana lokyam sanadanaka. For this soul is incapable of being cut or burned by fire, nor can it be dissolved by water, and is undryable by air as well. This soul is eternal, all-pervading, immovable, constant and primeval. Avyakto yam chindyo yam vigaryo yamuchyade tasmadevam vididvainam nanushojidu margasi. This soul is unmanifest, it is incomprehensible, and it is spoken of as immutable. Therefore, knowing it as such, you should not grieve. Ada chainam nityajadam va manyase mridam tadabi tvam mahabhago naivam shojidu margasi. And Arjuna, if you should suppose this soul to be subjected to constant birth and death, even then you should not grieve like this. Jadasya hi dhruvo mrityu urdhavam janma mridasya ja tasmada pariharyo ardhe na tvam shojidu margasi. For in that case death is certain for the born and rebirth is inevitable for the dead. You should not therefore grieve over the inevitable. Avyaktadi ini bhudani vyaktamadhyani bharata avyakta nidananyeva tatra ka paridevana. Arjuna, before birth beings are not manifest to our human senses. On death, they return to the unmanifest again. They are manifest only in the interim between birth and death. What occasion then for lamentation? Ascharya vadpashyadi kastidena mascharya vadvadadi tadaiva chanya ascharya vachainamanya runadi srutva pyenam vedana chaiva kastida. Hardly some rare enlightened person perceives this soul as marvelous, scarce another likewise speaks thereof as marvelous, and scarce another hears of it as marvelous, while there are some who know it and not even on hearing of it. Dehi nityam vadyogyam dege sarvasya bharata tasmatsa Rvani, Bhudani, Na Tvam, Sojidu, Markasi. Arjuna, this soul, dwelling in the bodies of all, can never be slain. Therefore, you should not mourn for anyone. Swadharmamabi chavekshya na vikambi tummargasi dammyaddi yuddha cheyo enyakshatriya asyana vidyade. Besides, considering your own duty too, you should not waves, for there is nothing more welcome for a man of warrior class than a righteous war. Yadrichya chopannam swargadvaharam pavridam sugina kshatriya pardha labande yuddhami drusham. Arjuna, fortunate are the Kshatriya who get such an unsolicited opportunity for war, which is an open gate way to heaven. Ada chetami in dharmya sangrana karishyasi tadaha swadharma kirtija hitva pabama syasi. Now, if you refuse to fight at this righteous war, then shirking your duty and losing your reputation, you will incur sin. Agirti chabi budani kada ishyanti te tegya aryarya sambhavidashya chagirti arbarini varina adadirichyade. Nay, people will also pour undying infamy on you, and infamy brought on a man enjoying popular esteem is worse than death. Bhaya dranadu paradam masyande tvam maga asya yesham cha tvam bhagumado bhutva yatsyayi lagavyam. And a warrior chiefs who thought highly of you will now despise you, thinking that it was fear which drove you away from battle. Avachyavadamscha bhagunmadishyanti tavahidaha nindanda astva samartya tado Nagandhara, Kim, and your enemies disparaging your might will speak. May many unbecoming words, what can be more distressing than this? Kadova Prapsasi Sorga Jitvava Bhokshyase Magim Tasmaduttrishta Kaundeya Yuddhaya Kritanishchaya, die and you will win heaven, conquer, and you enjoy sovereignty of the earth. Therefore stand up, Arjuna, determined to fight. Sugadukhe same krutva labhalabhau jayajayau tado yuddhaya yujyasva naivam pabamavapsyasi. Treating alike victory and defeat, gain and loss, pleasure and pain. Get ready for the battle. Fighting thus you will not incur sin. Yesha te bihida sankhye buddhir yogitva ama srenu buddhya yukto yaya parda karma bandham prakasyasi. Arjuna, this attitude of mind has been presented to you from the point of view of Jnana Yoga. Now hear the same as presented from the standpoint of Karma Yoga, the yoga of selfless action. Equipped with this attitude of mind, you will be able to throw off completely the shackles of karma. Negabi kramana asho vasti pratyovayona vidyate swalam bhapya asya dharmasya trayade magado bhayat. In this path of a selfless action, there is no loss of effort, nor is there fear of a contrary result. Even a little practice of this discipline saves one from the terrible fear of birth and death. Vyavasayatmika abuddhirekeka kuruna andan bahushaga vandascha buddhyo vyavasayinam. Arjuna, in this yoga of a selfless action, the intellect is determinate and directed singly towards one ideal, whereas the intellect of the undecided, ignorant men moved by desires wanders in all directions after innumerable aims. Yamimam pushvidam vajam pravadandya vivishchida vedavadirada partha nanyadastiri vadinaga kamatmanam swargapara janma karma falapradam kriya vishesha bagula Bhogaisha Aryagadim Pradi Bhogaishidya Prashaktanam Dayabhakada Chedasam Vyavasaya Atmika Buddhi Samadhu Na Vidiyade. Arjuna, those who are full of worldly desires and devoted to the letter of the Vedas, who look upon heaven as the supreme goal and argue that there is nothing beyond heaven, are unwise. They utter flowery speech recommending many rituals of various kinds for the attainment of pleasure and power with rebirth as their fruit. Those whose minds are carried away by such words and who are deeply attached to pleasures and worldly power cannot attain the determinate intellect concentrated on God. Try agunya vishaya veda nistrai gunyo bhavarjuna nirdvando nityasa asatvasto niryogakshema atmavan Arjuna. The Vedas thus deal with the evolutes of the three gunas, modes of prakriti, vice, worldly enjoyments, and the means of attaining such enjoyments. Be thou indifferent to these enjoyments and their means rising above pairs of opposites like pleasure and pain established in the eternal existence. God, absolutely unconcerned about the fulfillment of wants and the preservation of what has been already attained. You be self-controlled. यवनार्थ उदपाने सर्व अदक संप्लुदो उदके तावांस सर्वेषु वेदेषु ब्राह्मणस्य विजानता. A Brahmana who has obtained enlightenment has as much use for all the Vedas as one who stands at the brink of a sheet of water overflowing on all sides. As for a small reservoir of water, कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफलहेतु भूर्मा ते संगोस्त्व कर्माणि. Your right is to work only and never to the fruit thereof. Do not be the cause of the fruit of action, nor let your attachment be to inaction. Yogastha Guru Karmani Sangha Tektva Dhananjaya Siddha Siddho Samo Bhutva Samatvam Yoga Uchyade. Arjuna, perform your duties established in yoga, renouncing attachment, and be even-minded in success and failure. Evenness of a mind is called yoga. Dvarena Hyavaram Karma Buddhi Yoga Dhananjaya Buddhau Saranamanvicha Krivanaha Falahedava. Action with a selfish motive is far inferior to this yoga. In the form of equanimity, do seek refuge in this equipoise of mind. Arjuna, for poor and wretched are those who are the cause in making their actions bear offend. Abuddhikto ajagadiga ube asugraduskride atasmad yogaya yujyasva yoga karmasu kausalam. Endowed with equanimity, one sheds in this life both the good and evil. Therefore, strive for the practice of this yoga of equanimity. Skill in action lies in the practice of this yoga. Karmajam buddhi yukta hi falaktektva manishina janma bandha vinirmukta padam gacchanyana mayam. For wise men possessing equipped mind, renouncing the fruit of actions and freed from the shackles of birth, attain the blissful supreme state. Yadote moga kalilam buddhi vediri ishyadi tada gandasi nirvedam srodavyasya srudasya ja. When your mind will have fully crossed the mire of delusion, you will then grow indifferent to the enjoyments of this world and the next that have been heard of, as well as to those that are yet to be heard of. Sruti Pradipanna te yada stasyadi nischala samadhavajala buddhistada yogamavapsyasi. When your intellect, confused by hearing conflicting statements, will rest steady and undistracted in contemplation of God, you will then attain yoga, everlasting union with God. Arjuna Uvaja Siddhaprajnasya ka bhasha samadhi stasya keshava siddhadi kim prabhasheda kimasida brajeda kim. Arjuna said, Krishna, what are the characteristics of a God, realized soul, stable of mind and established in samadhi, perfect tranquility of mind? How does the man of a stable mind speak? How does he sit? How does he walk? Sri Bhagavan Prajahadi Yada Kamansa Arva Bharda Manogadana Atmanye Vatmana Dushtaha Siddha Prajnasta Adochyade. Sri Bhagavan said, Arjuna, when one thoroughly cast off all cravings of the mind and is satisfied in the self through the joy of the self, he is then called stable of mind. Dukkhe swapne dukkhe svenu advigna mana sugeshu vigadaspraga vidaraga abhayakrodha astida adi muni ruchyade. The sage, whose mind remains unperturbed amid sorrows, whose thirst for pleasures has altogether disappeared, and who is free from passion, fear, and anger, is called stable of mind. Ya sarvatrana bisne hastatta prapya shubham nabhinandati na dveshti tasya prajna pradishtita. He who is not attached to anyone or anything and meeting with the good and evil, neither rejoices nor recoils, his mind is stable. Yada samgarde chayam kurmo gainiva indriyanindriya adebhyastasya prajna sarvasa pradishtita. When like a tortoise that draws in its limbs from all directions, he withdraws all his senses from the sense objects, his mind becomes steady. Vishaya vinivartande nirakarasya dehinaka rasavarjam रसोऽज्ञस्य परं दृष्ट्वा निवर्तते. Sense objects turn away from him who does not enjoy them with his senses, but the taste for them persists. This relish also disappears in the case of the man of a stable mind when he realizes the Supreme. यदतो ह्यपि कौन्तेय पुरुषस्य निवस्थितः इन्द्रियाणि न प्रमार्दिनि हरन्ति प्रसम्बं मनः. Turbulent by nature, the senses, even of a wise man who is practicing self-control, forcibly carry away his mind. Arjuna. Tani sarvani samyamya yukta आसीद् मत्परः वशेहि यस्येन्द्रियाणि तस्य प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठिताः. Therefore, having controlled all the senses and concentrating his mind, he should sit for meditation, devoting himself heart and soul to me. For he whose senses are under his control is known to have a stable mind. Dhyayade Vishaya Anbumsaha Sangaste Eshubha Jayade Sangats Anjayade Kamaka Kamo Krodho Bijayade. The man dwelling on sense objects develops attachment for them. From attachment springs up desire, and from desire unfulfilled ensues anger. Krodha adbhavati sammoha smriti vibhramaha smriti bhramshad buddhinasho pranashyati. From anger arises delusion, from delusion confusion of memory, from confusion of memory loss of reason, and from loss of reason one goes to complete ruin. Raga desha viyuktaistu vishaya nidraye aischaran atmavashye vidhe yatma prasadamadi Madhigachadi. But a self-controlled sadhaka, while enjoying the various sense objects through his senses, which are disciplined and free from likes and dislikes, attains placidity of mind. Prasade sarva dukkana hanirasyo bhajayate prasanna chedaso hyashu buddhi paryavadishtade. With the attainment of such placidity of mind, all his sorrows come to an end, and the intellect of such a person of tranquil mind, soon withdrawing itself from all sides, becomes firmly established in God. Nasti buddhi yuktasya na chayuktasya bhavana na chabhavayadaka shanti rashandasya kudaha sugam. He who has not controlled his mind and senses can have no determinate intellect nor contemplation. Without contemplation he can have no peace. And how can there be happiness for one lacking peace of mind? ഇന്ദ്രിയാണാം ഹി ചരതാം യന്മനോ വിധീയതേ തദസ്യ ഹരതി പ്രജ്ഞാം വായുന അർവി വിമിവാ അഭ്യസി. As the wind carries away a boat upon the waters, even so of the senses moving sense objects, the one to which the mind is attached takes away his discrimination. Tasmadyasya mahabaho nigrhidani sarvashaha indriya arde abhyastasya prajna pradishthidah. Therefore, Arjuna, he whose senses are completely restrained from their objects is said to have a stable mind. Ya nisha sarvabhutanam tasyam jagrati samyami ayasyam jagrati bhutani sa nisha pashyado mune. That which is night to all beings in that state of divine knowledge and supreme bliss, the God realized yogi keeps awake, and that the ever-changing, transient, worldly happiness in which all beings keep awake is night to the seer. അപൂർയാമാണ് മജല പ്രതിഷ്ഠം സമുദ്രമാവ പ്രവിശന്തി യദ്വത് തദ്വത് കാമായം പ്രവിശന്തി സർവേ സ ശാന്തി മാപ്നോതി നം കാമകാമി. As the waters of a different rivers enter the ocean, which though full on all sides remains undisturbed, likewise he in whom all enjoyments merge themselves without causing disturbance attains peace. Not he who hankers after such enjoyments, vigaya kamanya sarvanbu mascharidi nispraha nirmamo nirahankara sa shanti madhigachadi. He who has given up all desires and moves free from attachment, egoism, and thirst for enjoyment attains peace. Yesha brahmisthithi pardanainam prapya vimukhyadi stitva syamanda akala abhi brahmani arvana mrichadi. Arjuna, such is the state of the God-realized soul. Having reached this state, he overcomes delusion and established in this state. Even at the last moment, he attains Brahmic bliss. Om Tatsidhi Srimad Bhagavad Gita Su Vanishatsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastri Sri Krishna Arjuna Samvadi Sankhya Yogo Nama Dviya Adhyaya. Thus in the Upanishad sung by the Lord, the science of Brahma, the scripture of yoga, the dialogue between Sri Krishna and Arjuna, ends the second chapter entitled Sankhya Yoga, the yoga of knowledge. Thank you to all.